Stop getting copyright claims. Instead of downloading random songs, use the YouTube free audio library. Let me show you where to find and download copyright safe music in less than a minute.
Yes guys, first step of course is just to open your YouTube studio. Alright, is where we get icon arrows to download those musics. Then after reaching in a YouTube studio, you search for audio library. That's the first option, or this icon creator musics. There are two options. You can use audio library if is available, or use this creator musics here. So for me, I used this one, and then here you can get those that requires payment and those which are free. So for us, we need free musics. Click on this free. Do you see? And then you click here to view all musics, so that we can choose what we want. Alright, these are free musics you can use from YouTube musics library without getting any copyright. So what you need to do is just to pay and download what and then you can download it and use it as the normal way. For example, let us play this one.
Let's go. I wake up to a little bit of drool on my pillow, feel like it's gonna be a bad day. Yeah, I'm tired of shit, and the coffee ain't hit yet, damn, ain't that great. I don't wanna go to work, cause my boss is a jerk, and I'm not even that paid.
So to download it, of course, you can just come here and click on the download track. Like this one, then click on go, it automatically will be downloaded. Do you see? It's just simple. Then you can use it while you are editing your video as usual. Yes guys, as you see, there are so many songs here. You can also click here to see another songs for next page, as you see. Then also check and download songs you want. Also, if you want to learn how to use these songs while you are editing, especially by using CapCut, also let me know in the comment section, so that I can create a video shows you how you can use CapCut to use these songs in your video while you are editing. So see you in next lesson.